Alright everybody, today is Thursday. The date doesn't matter. But we're about to go on a hot spring run. And hopefully I can put some maps for you guys when you come visit me or you come visit somebody out here in Mammoth or Bishop. I'm going to post 3 hot springs. So we're on our way. Just getting some snacks. Copper's over there being wild in. Got ourselves a Sammy and some drinks in the back. So I'll be back on the next skip because I have to go up like 40 minutes to get there and then figure out how or if the truck can overland over there or anything. I'm trying to prep for next winter, so that should be fun. So stay tuned. Shepherd Hot Spring. This is tiny too, how cute. Do you think there's another one over there? Tengo una toalla, métete. Yeah. Oh, yo, this one's dope.